Hello children. Belagavi division we are learning now. In the last class we learned the agriculture, industries, art, literature, education and health. This topic we learned about the Belagavi division. Today we are learning the freedom fighters from the Belagavi division as well as uniqueness of the districts of the Belagavi division. So first I am taking freedom fighters. Already I said children, it is Belagavi division is famous in the history also. Kittur Rani Chennamma, Sangolli Rayana I told in that. Yes, no children. So it is in the history only it is famous because Kittur Rani Chennamma is the first queen from South India to fight with the British. And Sangolli Rayana is also famous. Apart from this, many freedom fighters are there in the Belagavi division. That one I am reading. See children, this in the Belagavi division, freedom struggle started in the 19th century. That is from the Kittur Rani Chennamma. Then freedom fighters means Siddappa Kambli, Aluru Venkatarao, Nasu Hardekar Manjappa, Gangadhar Rao, Deshpande, Nadoja, Patil, Puttappa, etc. Many are there, important only they give. In that, Patil, Puttappa and More Hanumantaraya are important one children because they contributed for the freedom struggle through the journalism, through the newspaper. They used to write about the freedom struggle in the newspaper. They are giving the message to the people. They are inspiring the people through the newspaper. Patil, Puttappa and the Hanumantaraya. Patil Puttappa is from Hubli children. Do you know? Papu is his pen name. Patil. In that they taken the Pa. Puttappa. So in that Pu. So Papu is the pen name of the Patil Puttappa. They used to write the about the freedom struggle in the newspaper. Yes. Hardekar Manjappa and Nasu Hardekar, they all contributed for the social work also children. They worked for the upliftment of the backward people. Hardekar Manjappa and all, they are very much inspired by the Gandhiji's views. So they are followers of the Gandhiji's thoughts. This is all about the freedom fighters from the Belagavi division. Now we will move to the uniqueness of the districts of the Belagavi division. See children, all the districts are having their specialties. So far we learned in other three divisions also, all the districts, some are famous in the tourist place, some are historically famous, some are famous for the literature, like this. So even in the Belagavi division also, districts are famous in one or the other things. First, we taken the Dharwad district, our district only. Our district is also famous in many things children. See, Dharwad is known as land of musicians, land of literature, land of education. By all these names, our Dharwad district is called. Musicians, number of musicians. Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, Mallikarjun Mansur, then Gangubai Hankal, all are from the Dharwad district. They are world famous because of their art or skills, music children. India is world famous. They are from our land. Then literature, 3 Jnanapita awardees: Chandrasekhar Kapar, Girish Karnad, and these 3 members taken the Jnanapita awards. Then education, universities are there. Karnataka University is there, Agriculture University is there, Horticulture University is there. So it is the land of education also. Then Dharwad Peda, very famous, no? Yes, Dharwad Peda, it is also famous. Then in the industries you are taking in the Dharwad district means Baruka textile mill children, then Murdeshwar ceramic, these are the important industries in the Dharwad district. Then Kundgol, it is one of the village in the Dharwad district. it is the birthplace of the Savai Gandharva. Savai Gandharva is a famous dramatist children. Used to sing the song also. Savai Gandharva. Hall also is there now in Hubli. Yes, its birthplace is Kundgod. Then Dharwad district plays the pivotal role in the development of Hindustani music because number of musicians are there. Followed? Yes, this is about the Dharwad district. Next comes Haveri district. Haveri district children, it is based on agriculture. Mainly agriculture is there. So 70% of the population is engaged in the agriculture only. Not only agriculture, they are producing the seeds which are required for the agriculture. Through the traditional method, they are preparing the seeds. Organic farming, they are preferring children. Seeds manufacture is there. So earlier here also farmers used to using the chemical fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides. But nowadays they are giving more preference for the organic farming. That means without using any chemicals, they are doing the farming. Famous temples in the Haveri districts are Nagareshwara temple of Bankapura, Maltesha temple of Devaraya Gudda, and Siddheshwara temple of Chalukya period are the important temples in the Haveri district. And very famous in the Haveri district is Rock Garden. Rock Garden, have you seen it? It is in Godgode. Godgode is a place name. There you find the Rock Garden. Many statues they made. They are like a live. They will look very natural. They will look. It is world famous children. That Rock Garden become world famous now. So the artists for the Rock Garden are Salvaknavar. The main artisan for the Rock Garden is Salvaknavar. Very famous statues children. They are very natural work. Then Haveri district is the birthplace of the Sarvajna. Sarvajna, you know children, is the birthplace for Sarvajna, and Shishnala Sharifa, Kanakadasa, all are from the Haveri district. This Shishnala Sharifa, Kanakadasa's birthplace is Bada. That is also in the Haveri district. Factories in the Haveri district means that is Grasim industry. That means paint industry children. Paint industry is there, and Harihar polyfiber industry, synthetic chemical industry, poultry farms, cold storages. These are the industries we can see in the Haveri districts. Followed children, Harihar polyfiber, it is very big factory, and Grasim, Harihar Grasim industry is there. Paint industry it is, that is also very big one. All these are the industries in the Haveri district children. Uniqueness means what specialty they are having, that one we are learning. And the next one is Gadag. Take these points, I will write the Gadag district. Yes. Next one is Gadag district children. Gadag district is famous for the agriculture market. It is famous for the agriculture production. Agriculture products are selling in that. Then famous temples or places in Gadag district means Veeranarayana temple, Vikuteshwara temple, and Jumma Masjid. These are the famous in the Gadag. And Kappat Gudda, it is famous for the biodiversity. For biodiversity, it is famous. Many medicinal plants are growing in the Kappat Gudda. Then Magadi Bird Sanctuary is there. Gadag children, Magadi Bird Sanctuary, that also one of the famous places in Gadag. Then Kumara Vyasa of Gadag, he wrote the book Karnataka Bharata, Katha Manjari, that book name. It is also known as the Kumara Vyasa Bharata. He wrote about the glory of the Karnataka in that. Then Totadaraya Swamiji is a known person. Mata it is children, Totadaraya Swamiji. That one, that Mata only, Total Mata it is called. That also famous in the Gadag. Then what agriculture products are growing in the Gadag means maize, groundnut, wheat, green gram, mango, pomegranate, grapes. Is not only agricultural crops, even fruits also grown in the Gadag. Then Gadag is famous for the Gadag Cooperative Textile Mill. Textile mills are there, cotton gin and all is there, children. So cooperative mill also, textile mill is there, that one is famous. Then Sri Vijayanagara sugar factory is there. Vijayanagara sugar factory also you can find in the Gadag. Then Sri Someshwara Farmers Cooperative Spinning Mill, cotton spinning mill is there, that also is famous in the Gadag. Surrounding of Gadag, sugarcane and cotton is more, children. So textile mill you will find, spinning mill you will get, and sugarcane factory also you will find in the Gadag. This is about the Gadag. 3 districts is enough for today, children. Another 4 are there. We will see in the next class. Okay. For today's session, I will give the homework. Yes, homework for today, children. Name the freedom fighters from Belgavi divisions. In which district you will find the seed production? Another district is, where is rock garden? Which is the birthplace of Sarvarkar? Then where is Magri Bird Sanctuary? So 5 questions are given. Alright, this much for today, children. And there are 4 districts I will take in the next class. Okay, thank you.